Alright, we're done at the stunt lot. Some good practice. We're gonna go grab some food, but we're not gonna finish just yet. I'm gonna try some third gears, see what I can do. Nice. Woo, it's fucking cold. Fucking let's go. I'm gonna try third real quick. Third is like fourth for me. Fuck. It's just got no pop. Jesus. Nice. Hey, what's up, Stock Exhaust? He's the only cool guy in this group.
Yo, rapping in the streets all night and day. It's a Photogromer coming out to play. Gonna pop a wheelie, gonna use one hand. He's gonna show y'all what's good. Goddamn, he's a king of the streets and y'all know the truth. And baby Grom, gonna be like you. Popping wheelies to a power slide. Gonna line it up when you ride at night. Gotta be the crew for a photo op. Popping shots, I'm making hot. Snapping the Grom when the water's on. Y'all know the other is gonna wrote the song. And I don't really care what y'all say about me, cause I'm gonna get a Grom eventually. Gotta sit my doubts, gotta sit the finish. And one day I'm gonna run my Grom to the winning. Photogromer, baby Grom, acting like a super song. Down chill, finger thought, then you're gonna go far. Yo, what a Grom king, kings of Grom.
Second gears feel kind of like third on mine. I could probably chase out. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I could probably chase out seconds like I do third. Maybe just keep them at the high RPM, and then that'll keep me like maybe.
Ride them without when the race is on. People gonna look and they're gonna stare. Oh shit, look here comes.
Fuck it.
There are white ones, black ones, blue ones, yellow ones, green ones, pink ones, even the stretch ones. Nobody matter if it's stock or not. Just go get the Grom, go hit the spot. Roll to.
So loud when he comes up behind you.
They're the ones that run the stand.
Look at this, leading the crew. Yep. Bitch. His kickstand's down. Damn, he got him hard. Got his key, kickstand, but he's supposed to be leading us, so there's that. I felt bad for you on that one. That was really bad. Oh shit.
Bike go round the ground, cause of the Grom kings are getting down.
Well, Lewis found the Grom.
Popping up in front of the crowd, gonna hit the throttle, gonna make.
You go out in traffic. You stay out there. Get. Hey. He looks like a Lego with that helmet on. What's going on with this light?
There's no one even coming.
It just turned.
Popping in wheelies, that's what we do. Now Photogromer, go do your thing.
I hope he has the oil on this motherfucker. This thing's gonna be blown up by the end of the weekend if he doesn't. Uh-oh. Lewis found the Grom and stoppies. I don't think he's getting his Grom back. Fucking cold, hard nipples. He's gonna kickstart this bitch. Look at Tesla. Tesla's like, what the fuck just happened? You like it better? Oh, the Tesla's right there again. Uh-oh.
I'm not doing anything. You guys are driving like dumbasses.
Tesla versus mini bike rider.
I'm not swerving between shit. I'm staying in my lane. I used to race motorcycles too. Don't give me fucking shit.
Come on it. Get the fuck out of here.
My nips are really hard.
The bolt came out.
Oh shit. Bolt came out of the exhaust. Oop, look. Look at this motorcycle parking. Look. Hey, your zip tie came off.
Again?
Yeah. We'll have to fix it back at that hoose.
We'll just have to fix it when we get back to Geo's.
Yeah. Yep. Whew, all right. We are gonna do some after hours. Lewis is getting pretty good at this CRF wheelies, huh? On knobbies and kickstarting. Don't look at me while you're doing that. Alright, here we go. Fuck, it's too cold for that. Should have brought my clear visor. Oh, it's not that bad with it down. I can make out shapes. It's so fucking cold. My man's face is purple. Fuck. Hey, that's not happening. It's so cold. Fuck.
Oh, we got protection.
She's saying be careful. Said be careful. Oh, it's so fucking cold. If you don't do something to warm up, you're fucked. So loud. Oh, a spark. A scrape. What is happening? Oh, shit. Shit. Lewis is straight sidewalks ending it. Ooh. Alright. That's a wrap, boys. Alright, we're gonna work on these guys, try to make some adjustments, maybe put a 37 tooth on this guy, and maybe get rid of this fucking thing. Bring the bars back a little bit, and she'll be mint for tomorrow. Alright guys, we'll see you tomorrow for SBK. Super excited. We'll see you in the next one.
If you don't chew Big Red, then fuck you.